In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly connect Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Outlook events showing up in Google Calendar using a simple, reliable method that takes just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook Calendar site. Make sure you're signed in to the account that holds the calendar you want to share. If you use multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one so you don't publish the wrong calendar. Once you're in Outlook Calendar, look for the Settings icon, usually in the top right. Open Settings, then navigate to the Calendar section. From there, find the Shared Calendars page. This is where Outlook lets you publish a calendar so other apps, like Google Calendar, can subscribe to it. On the Shared Calendars page, locate the option to publish a calendar. Use the drop-down to choose the specific calendar you want to connect. Next, select the permission level. If you just want availability, choose a minimal option like showing when you're busy. If you need more detail in Google, choose a level that includes event titles or full details. When you're ready, click Publish. Outlook will generate two links, HTML and ICS. You want the ICS link. The ICS address is a special feed that Google Calendar can subscribe to. Click the ICS option, then choose Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. Treat this link as private. Anyone with it can see the shared details based on the permission you selected. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left sidebar, find Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Choose from URL. Paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook into the URL field, then click Add Calendar. Google will subscribe to that Outlook calendar and add it under Other Calendars. It may take a minute for events to appear, especially if the calendar is large. Keep in mind, this is a one-way subscription. Updates you make in Outlook will flow into Google automatically, but changes in Google will not sync back to Outlook. Updates aren't instant. Google refreshes subscribed calendars periodically, so new or edited Outlook events may take a little time to show. To keep things organized, you can rename the calendar and assign it a distinct color in Google. If you ever need to stop seeing it, simply unsubscribe from that calendar in Google. And if you get permission errors in Outlook, your organization might restrict publishing, so check with your admin. That's it. Your Outlook calendar is now connected to Google Calendar quickly and cleanly.